And right around here somewhere you can get a pretty nice view of the St. Louis skyline. In this video, I drive I-255, which serves as an outer beltway and bypasses all the crappy Metro East cities. Well, let's get to it, shall we? I do start the video near the South County Center in Mehlville. If you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. You can always keep up with the real time that it takes me to drive in the lower left corner of the screen. If I go too fast for you, or if you think that I'm going too slow, you can always adjust the playback speed by selecting the gear icon if you're watching on PC, or by selecting the three-dotted menu if you're watching on a mobile device. Isn't YouTube great? Also really quick, as if you enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. Also make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video of an area near you. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on my channel. Other videos like this one can be found in my St. Louis Freeways playlist, my Metro East playlist, or my St. Louis Suburbs playlist. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. St. Louis actually has two beltways, the other being I-270. Up ahead is the Jefferson Barracks Bridge, which is named after the nearby historical military base, the Jefferson Barracks. The two bridges were actually completed 9 years apart, one in 1983 and another in 1992. Before this was a freeway, however, there is an older bridge here that was completed in 1944 and was a toll bridge until 1959 and carried US 50. And from here, the next bridge over the Mississippi River is about an hour south.
And for the first time, I'm waking up. And for the first time, I'm waking up. And for the first time, I'm waking up. For the first time, and for the first time, I'm waking up.
For the record, I've made videos on just about every city that I bypass in this video. If you want to go off the beaten path, so to say, and view what those cities are like, you can head over to my channel and check out my Metro East playlist. I don't get to drive 255 in its entirety as I wanted to originally. It was a very windy day when I filmed this, and later on in the video, it blew my camera out of its position. I also didn't have the time this day to try and refilm this video, as I had more important videos that I wanted to try and film on that day that I was down there. Despite it being windy, the sunshine made it a nice drive at least, and I also got a nice view of the St. Louis skyline from being this far out, which I'll show later.
Take a breath, forget the thunder. Take a breath, forget the thunder. Take a breath, we're going under. Take a breath, you catch the thunder. We don't even try. Dancing with the architect. Future hasn't found us yet. Dancing with the architect. Future hasn't found us yet.
Lay it on me, I'm listening. I got a good ear, come give it a bend. I could listen all day till you tell it to me. If I heard it before, then let me hear it again. While you let it out, I can take it in. When you got something to say, you can tell it to me. Say what you wanna, I will be listening. Say what you gotta, I will be listening. Simple thought, but I tell you what, some folks really don't listen much. Only give it one way, you can tell it to me. And I've sang a bunch and I've talked enough, so this is my time to listen up. Yeah. You got something to say, well go on, tell it to me. Say what you wanna, I will be listening. Say what you gotta, I will be listening. I will be listening. Tell it to me, tell it to me, tell it to me, I wanna hear you. Tell it to me, tell it to me, tell it to me, I wanna
of its position. Nonetheless, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video of an area near you. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on my channel. Other videos like this one can be found in my St. Louis Freeways playlist, my St. Louis Suburbs playlist, or in my Metro East playlist. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. We'll see you next time. Peace!